And we are doing the 6 minutes and today's drawing challenge. And we're episode number 71.
Episode number 71. Wow. What are we going to draw today?
We are going to draw orange from Rainbow Friends.
Yes, so we continue with our Rainbow Friends series, and today we are going to learn how to draw orange. Very easy step-by-step drawing of orange from Parikshit and Sketch Fun and Club. What do you need?
You need a black sketch pen or pencil and white paper and some colors.
We are using Sharpie.
Yeah.
Let's get going. And do not forget to stay till the end of the video.
Yeah.
Hit on the like button, the subscribe button, and add a comment below of what you want us to draw next. What did you like about it? What did you not like about it? And you can win some exciting surprises from Parikshit and Kids Fun Learn Club once again. Yeah. Let's get started. How do we do? Okay, let's start from the
Eyes.
mouth.
Wait. Until I don't finish. This now. I think I'm not able to make the whole face. What did I get you just to make? Wait, this is a little complicated.
No, it's not.
Yeah, you gotta see then.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you do not have to color it.
You did.
Good till here? Now we make the eyes.
Can I see even? Can I even understand what I'm making?
Yeah.
Or the tongue will go from there.
Yeah. Make the place for the eyes.
Oh, right.
Okay. Next would be down.
I think I'm not able to fit the whole body.
It will be, no, we can. We will be able to. Two, three.
One, two.
These are the nails of orange. Okay. This will come down and go on the tail.
When I see it.
Yeah.
Now from here, wait. Did I do something wrong?
No, perfect. You did this extra line, but it's okay. Let it be.
I want to know. From here, I can do this. This kind of looks like Tarzan. Orange isn't basically dragon.
Then what is he?
He's a dragon.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
Almost over.
Now the second leg.
This one. Wait.
Yeah.
One, two, three. Well, I thought it was going to be a difficult drawing, but it wasn't. The nails are quite easy. Can I see it again? Can I see it? I'm not understanding. Wait, please wait. From here, I'm going to go down. Then
Orange is a little difficult to draw. I can understand that. But it is very easy to color it.
there are different names for each. No.
Now we make the teeth. The dragon teeth. That's done. That was an easy one. What color do we use, Parikshit?
Orange and light orange.
Orange, red, and yellow.
And light orange.
No, just orange and yellow. Should we start coloring? What are you left with?
This doesn't look like him.
Let's quickly get color it.
Look,
Okay.
I'm here all way of color yellow. Now start to color. Which now who's dragon? This reminds me when we were making normal drawing, not the 6 minute 100 days drawing challenge. Even before that, we made a dragon.
Yes, we did. Okay. Done till here? Okay. And the tongue. So here we are done with this dragon drawing and coloring. Parikshit is still doing his drawing while I'm done. This was the very easy drawing of orange from the Rainbow Friends.
Now you did it right. At least you didn't say Rainbow Friends from Orange.
Right. So friends, while Parikshit finishes his drawing, if you have been following us, if you have been drawing with us, do not forget to share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the Kids Fun Learn Club and hashtag Kids Fun Learn Club to win some exciting surprises from Parikshit and Kids Fun Learn Club.
Wait. Whatever I've left has to be yellow. Even a little bit in the eyes.
Yeah.
I have to quickly roll red.
Okay.
I'm finished.
We are done. I hope you enjoyed this episode number 71 of the 6
I
minutes.
think mine and my father's drawings look similar, but the coloring and the eyes look a little different.
Yes. Parikshit has become good with his drawings, right? Yes, he's getting better every day like you are because you have been practicing and doing so many drawings with us all through these years.